Hey guys, we're here with MSI at CES 2024. The year hasn't even started yet, and we already have a brand new competitor to the Steam Deck. Meet the MSI Claw. Now, the most interesting thing about the MSI Claw is the fact that it isn't running on an AMD chip. It's actually running on the new Meteor Lake chip. What that means is that it actually uses some of the technologies found in Intel's graphics cards in the actual handheld. For example, XeSS, which is an upscaling technology. Not only should it make games look better, but they should also run cooler and longer. They say it's gonna last around 2 hours of gameplay. One of the games that they tested was Forza 5. They played it for 2 hours straight before the battery died, which is pretty impressive. So, you know, we have to see what this device is like when we actually get it into our lab, but the Meteor Lake chip should actually make a big difference when it comes to performance. Again, every other handheld that I've played with has an AMD chip. This is Intel, so yes, curious is the right word I'm gonna use for this for now, but I will say I'm cautiously optimistic at best.
So availability will be February to March timeframe. The Claw start at $699, Claw Ultra 5, 512 gigabyte. Storage, and it go up to $799 with the Claw Ultra 7 and $799 with a 1 terabyte.
All right, so as you can see from its design, it's a fairly standard design that you would find on other gaming handhelds. You have your 4 face buttons, 2 analog sticks, D-pad, and 4 function buttons. As far as the display is concerned, this has a 7-inch LCD 120 hertz display, which is very similar to the Asus ROG Ally. In my opinion, I think 7 inches is a good size for a gaming handheld. That means if you lower the resolution to 720p, it won't look very muddy, but if you go to 1080p, it'll look fantastic. So I'm very happy with the screen size. Up here at the top, you also have shoulder buttons, as well as some I/O. So port-wise, we have the power button, which is also a fingerprint reader, micro SD slot, Thunderbolt 4 port. You could charge it, fast charging. We have the headphone jack right here, and 2 volume buttons. Again, this is stuff we've seen in other handhelds, but I think the port placement is fine. Everything's just right up here, easily accessible. And of course, you see the True Gaming logo for true gamers. And over here, you have 2 back buttons, which I appreciate. And one thing that MSI says is that this has been designed for more efficient cooling. So you have vents here at the front. You also have them up top and in the back. And it actually, like, when it not only does it draw air out, but also pulls air in to keep the internals cooled. So right here, we're looking at the dock for the MSI Claw. So right here, all you have to do is just click the front, this slides out, and then you place the handheld right on there, snaps right on, very easy. If you're not happy with just having a single USB-C port, you'll find 2 more right here. And over on the back, you'll also have 2 USB-A, Ethernet port, HDMI, and another USB-C. So that's a lot. This is great. So basically, if you want to just play this on your PC or your monitor, you're going to have plenty of ports if you also want to use a keyboard or mouse or anything. Okay, so that was our first look at the MSI Claw. Again, I'm super excited about this product. I love handhelds, you already know, and I'm really looking forward to really going hands-on with it. But I want to know what you guys have to think, so make sure you comment down below. And for more of our CES coverage, make sure you follow Tom's Guide over on all of our socials. Once again, I was Tony Polanco, and I'll see you next time. Later.